Today my topic about the place of articulation.
Place of articulation.
Place of the first of all we explain the word articulation. What is the meaning of the articulation? Articulation means इजहार करना वाज़ेह तौर पर कहना. But in the particle phonology, articulation means where in the throat or mouth sound is produced. This is called articulation. But less of articulation means in the phonetics and phonology, sound which are produced in the mouth. Where in the mouth sound is producing is called place of articulation. In human body, there are maybe 8 or 10 organ of speech. The first of all, in the place of articulation by labial sound. Bilabial sound are those sounds which are two left joined to each other and sound produced from this organ is called bilabial sound. Bilabial
बस नहीं
sound. Bilabial sound are those sounds which are produced from the two lips and for, bo, mo, and wo. Wo is a voiceless sound and these three are voice sound.
कैमरा बुझ कैसे
Voice are those sounds which the vocal tract or vocal cord produce vibration, and voices are those which are easily released from the vocal tract or vocal cord and no produce vibration. These are only about the bilabial sound.